Hello, everyone, and welcome to the show. My name is Uncle Teddy Bear. Today, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're not exactly going to be talking about food, but today, we're going to be talking about an innovation that became very popular during the 70s and 80s and is still popular today and is found in most homes. Today, we talk about the humble microwave. Again, welcome to the show. Welcome to Uncle Teddy Bear Cooks. So our journey begins today with scientific principles that laid the foundation for microwave technology. Let's go back to the late 19th century. In 1864, James Clerk Maxwell, a Scottish physicist, formulated the theory of electromagnetism. He described how electric and magnetic fields propagate as waves. Fast forward to 1888, when German physicist Heinrich Hertz experimentally confirmed Maxwell's theories by generating and detecting electromagnetic waves in the laboratory. Those early experiments with electromagnetic waves set the stage for future technology. By the 1930s, radar technology had become a crucial asset during World War II, relying on the Megatron, a device that generates microwaves. Now let's fast forward to 1945. Percy Spencer, an American engineer working for Raytheon, made a groundbreaking discovery while standing near an operating magnetron. He noticed that a candy bar in his pocket had melted. This unexpected result led Spencer to experiment further, revealing that microwaves could be used to cook food. Spencer and Raytheon quickly saw the potential. In 1947, they introduced the first microwave oven, known as the Radar Range. This initial model was a massive 6-foot tall and weighed over 750 pounds. It was designed primarily for commercial use, such as in restaurants or ships, due to its high cost of around $5,000, which would be approximately $60,000 in today's currency. The 1950s marked the beginning of microwave ovens entering the consumer market. In 1955, Raytheon released a smaller version of the Radar Range, though it was still considered a luxury item due to its high price and large size. The real turning point came in the 1960s. With the development of new electronics and the transistor, microwave ovens became more compact and affordable. In 1967, Amana, a division of Raytheon, introduced the first microwave oven specifically designed for home use, called the Amana Radar Range. This model was a significant breakthrough, making microwave technology more accessible to the average consumer. By the 1970s, microwave ovens were becoming increasingly popular in American kitchens. Innovations such as the rotating turntable, introduced in 1970, ensured more even cooking by rotating the food within the microwave. The introduction of preset cooking programs made the appliance even more user-friendly. Now I'm going to pause right here for a second to give you a few tidbits. At present, my family does not have a microwave. I do believe they have their use, and the microwave technology has come a long way. But in my personal belief, microwave has its uses for certain things. To cook a full-fledged meal, in my mind, the food comes out rubbery, hot in some spots, uncooked in other spots. So whether there's a rotating dish or whatever in the microwave, we don't tend to use it a lot. Yeah, we've jumped on the air fryer bandwagon, and that's what we use to reheat anything instead of using a microwave. But that's just my opinion. I know microwaves can do more things than just making popcorn. So let's continue on. The 1980s brought further advancement. In 1981, the first microwave oven with a touchpad and digital display was introduced by Sharp. This innovation made setting cooking times and power levels more convenient and precise. The decade also saw the integration of features like auto defrost and sensor cooking, which automatically adjusted cooking time based on the food's moisture levels. The 1990s saw the introduction of convection microwave ovens, which combined microwave technology with convection cooking. This allowed users to bake, roast, and grill in addition to reheating and defrosting, offering a versatile cooking solution in one appliance. Moving into the 2000s, microwave ovens continued to evolve with the advent of smart technology. In 2007, LG introduced a microwave with an advanced sensor system that could detect the humidity in the food and adjust cooking times accordingly. This period also saw the emergence of models with internet connectivity, allowing users to control their microwaves through smartphone apps. Today's microwave ovens come with a host of features, including inverter technology for consistent cooking power and sleek designs that fit seamlessly into modern kitchens. Innovations continue to improve energy efficiency and user convenience. From its accidental invention in 1945 to its place as a household staple, the microwave oven has revolutionized food preparation. Its evolution reflects broader technological advancements and changing consumer needs. And that's your short history of the microwave oven. I hope you enjoyed this dive into it. If you like this episode, please consider subscribing, leaving a review, share your thoughts, suggestions for future topics, as there's going to be more innovations coming along down the road. And hopefully I can pique your interest on other things. So keep exploring, keep tasting new things. I'm Uncle Teddy Bear. Until next time, thanks for tuning in.